The best voiceover microphone. This is Peter Baker from Voiceover Masterclass, and arguably the best microphone in the world is the Neumann U87. This was launched in 1967 as one of the first solid-state microphones. It was also one of the first to have phantom power, where the power, to make it work, is sent down the connection cable to negate needing a separate power supply. Now, these handmade microphones are used in recording studios worldwide, and you would have heard them on top voiceover recordings, network TV commercials, hit records for many years. But do you, the working voiceover with a home studio, really need to shell out on a $2,000 plus top-of-the-range microphone? No, not at all, and certainly not to begin with. In reality, your clients will begin to book you and rebook you on how well you follow their instructions, using the correct voice style they ask for, hitting script emphasis points, sustaining an emotion or character voice, following timings, replying quickly to their emails, and so on, than choosing you because you have a £2,000 microphone. They really will. I'm not saying all clients have tin ears or whatever, but there are many microphones these days that can record a voice to truly excellent quality. And most clients won't be able to tell that the microphone only cost a fraction of the cost of a top-of-the-range Neumann. I'm not saying you can knock off a script on your phone in the bathroom. Of course, they'll know then. But if they really are keen-eared audiophiles and they want a top-end recording for a high-budget project, they'll probably book you into a professional studio in your nearest city anyway who have the Neumanns. Look, if money is not an issue, get a Neumann. If not a U87, try out the transformerless version that has a very similar capsule, the TLM 103. So smooth and sensitive like the U87 and a third of the price. And it has cardioid polar settings, and that's all you want for a voiceover. If your budget is tight, I would honestly spend more cash on the voiceover recording area than the microphone. A top-end microphone recorded in an appalling, noisy, echoey location will sound just as bad as using a cheaper microphone in the same bad place. So spend your cash on acoustic blankets, soundproofing, and acoustic tiles, or even save up for a dedicated voiceover booth before seeing what's left in your budget for your microphone. Okay, here's my recommendations. They're my top 3 of affordable microphones if Neumann's not on your shopping list. Note, they're all large diaphragm analog mics that will need a USB interface box to connect to your computer. Please avoid dedicated USB microphones. They are cheaper, I know, but they don't offer the flexibility in sound or usage that us voiceover artists need. So before I reveal my top 3 favorite affordable voiceover microphones, all less than $250, let me remind you that at voiceovermasterclass.com we have a wide selection of highly rated video-based courses focusing on voiceover and voice training, aimed at not just beginners but also intermediate and also advanced stages as well. There's even a free course you can take right now. So check out voiceovermasterclass.com. My first choice, AKG 420, very solid, very flexible microphone, offers the cardioid pattern for close single voiceover work, also a switchable figure of 8 pattern for one voice either side of it for maybe 2 presenters on a podcast, only need 1 microphone. A clear and noise-free sound, comes with a quality cradle and metal carrying box. The TZ Stellar X2, superb build quality, very low noise circuitry, rich and smooth for close-up voice work. It's actually smaller than most mics of this type, but really packs a punch. And the Audio-Technica AT2020, this is a classic. This gives such a clear and clean signal, very sensitive, build quality excellent, great value for money. And finally, don't skimp on the pop filter. A recording using a great microphone and location can be ruined by the nasty pop sounds on the plosive parts of the script. My favorites are the grid type, like the Pronomic pop filter, and also the fabric pop filter from popaudio.co.uk. I personally use these in my booth, both at the same time for very poppy scripts. They're acoustically transparent. Don't worry, they won't make your voice sound muffled. Good luck! For detailed training courses on all things voice and voiceover, please check out voiceovermasterclass.com. There's a free complete voice training and voiceover course you can take right now, and all the best-selling paid courses have free preview chapters so you can see if the courses are right for you before you decide to take them. We have a great value membership scheme too. You can learn how to set up your home studio, use audio editing programs efficiently, greatly boost your voiceover income, learn voice acting and audiobook production, train your voice to be more flexible, deeper and more resonant. And also there are green screen filming, video presentation and editing courses too, all on voiceovermasterclass.com.